Don't do it. Leave the hand on your lap.
Kai, you watching TV? What are you doing?
Chilling with her daddy.
Are you supposed to be sleeping now?
Not yet. I haven't finished eating my hands.
No.
But why did you put a bib on me if I don't get to eat my hands?
Because she eats her clothes.
Okay, here. Do this. Pretend you're praying, and then sneak a bite of your fingers. There.
You can't eat your hands, Lapay. See that face? It almost don't fit the screen. It actually doesn't fit the screen. Kiss the camera.